All right, here we go. We've got everybody here in the tables. They can be on the chairs. We've got Diamond over here. You want to make sure a couple people have rifles in their hands over here. They can just kind of dance with them so that you don't mess up equipment time. The beginning here, it can be still here. Once the movement starts, it sounds like banging on the tables. I wonder if you could have people sitting at the chairs banging on the tables with the percussion beats there. And then right here, boom, everyone needs to look as Diamond comes through the saloon doors, better choice there. 6 dancers come on here. This is ensemble movement this way as Diamond walks through. Then these 3 kind of stop Diamond for the moment. Then Diamond kind of busts them up. They become the focus as these 2 split up. We want the focus right here on these 4 dancers. Rifles enter here. This unwinds here. Flags become the focus here. A little do-si-do here. Add-on rifle moment down here. Flags are the focus until here. Then these stationary rifles can be the focus here. More flags become the focus here as we transition more rifles on. These people can come on with flag, we don't want to see it. And then a pose right here. We want a pose right here and a pose in the circle, highlighting the duet. These guys move quickly, little focus moment down here, and then move, 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 move every 2 counts. Big hold with the rifles here in the windows. Rifles become the focus there. Flags kind of move to this wrapping form. Rifles stay the focus here. They can spin here. Just make sure the focus is here on the center. Flags can take the focus as the rifles move to the line. First group moves to the tables. Second group moves, and now the flags start to move. Kind of folds in on itself. Focus here, rifles, boom here, flags take the focus on the ooh there. Rifles take over the focus here as the flags move to the side. They need to stop spinning, put their silk down. We don't want to see, we just want to watch the rifles here in the tables. And then the new flag comes in here. Around the edge, they can come into the center, the rifle's moving the flag. This needs to wrap around, so occupy space. And then here is flag feature. You can layer this any way you want. You're in offset 2. And then we'll move on from there.